Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's have a look at another one, OL, and we use again LI, HTML, LI, CSS, and LI Rust, and then save it. You see the difference? First one just put in dot sign, and that one is put in number instead of the dot sign. Let me copy that one, guys. And I just want to add something here. Start 20. You see guys, number is starting from 20. So if you don't add anything, it's automatically starting from 1. That is the difference. Let's have a look at another one. Let me make it a little bit up. DL and DD, HTML and DD, learning bugs and DT again, CSS and DD learning classes. Save it. You see different style listing. That is also very nice to use in our project. Let's have a look at another one. Menu. We use the lead again. Home, registration, about, and contact. And save it. You see guys, we use that things for creating the menu. Let's have a look at another one. Object. It's about embedding data. I just add a video in our project folder. Give the name of the video name, video mp4, and we use autoplay and value true. Let's save it. You see guys, you can run the video like this. We just embedded the video like this. If you want, you can embed sound files in this way. That's all for now for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video, guys.